Art can be a really cringe activity to do at home because it's so incredibly messy. If you have ever felt this, don't worry. It is one of my triggers that I am working through. And so today I want to share some simple and easy art activities that you can implement at home. Now, all of these activities my daughter currently loves. And I have to say that when she is fully engaged with these activities, I have seen this explosiveness of creativity, problem solving, and just the desire to do more around the home, because when we're doing these activities, we're also incorporating the setup and the cleanup. First, simple and easy activity is Play-Doh. Now, Play-Doh helps your child with those fine motor skills that they are developing. It also helps with creativity, and you can make all kinds of shapes and you can count the different shapes. And if you make your own Play-Doh, you add that science element to the whole experience. One of the reasons why I love Play-Doh is because it's not very messy, yet it's very entertaining. The next activity is chalk. Now, using chalk on a chalkboard or outside on the pavement, and adding the element of using a paintbrush to paint over the chalk lines is a great way of your child not only being entertained, but also your child having the opportunity to just be creative and be kind of messy. Now, the reason I love chalk is because it washes off very easily, and if it gets on your child's clothes, you can just throw it in the washer, and there's no need to, go the extra mile with buying a specific soap that is going to remove stains or anything along those lines. Chalk is very easy to carry, and so you can always just put it in a little Ziploc bag and take it with you to the park, or take it with you to a friend's house if they're okay with, having their sidewalks or their back yard pavement with chalk. The next simple and easy activity is cutting and gluing. Now, your child comes to a stage where they want to independently do things, and so introducing scissors to them at this age is absolutely going to be something that they are going to enjoy. The great thing about cutting and gluing is that they can experience cause and effect before their eyes. When they cut little scraps of papers, then they can use it in a creative way to paste it onto, a piece of paper and make a collage, or really make anything that they desire. The next really fun creative activity for your children is using paint sticks. Now, instead of using a paintbrush and watercolors, you can always opt in for some paint sticks like this one here. And these are just very vibrant. They're not as messy as watercolors, and these are also great when you go to a restaurant and you're waiting for your food to be served. You can take them to the park. My daughter loves scribbling with them, and we just love that these are just so easy to carry around. They're easy to clean up, and it's a very easy activity to set up. The next simple and easy activity is using an easel for just open-ended painting, and just giving your child some watercolors or some washable paint, then allowing them to just free paint and come up with their own ideas on how to make flowers and patterns and really anything. And the next and final activity that I have here for you is using what I call magic paper to paint. Now, these activity books are really good to when you're traveling, when you're on the go, when you go camping, and basically all you need is a paintbrush and water, and of course these types of coloring pages or painting pages, I guess. But yeah, I call them magic paper. I'll have links down below for everything that I've mentioned. They are affiliate links, so when you click on them, there's no additional cost to you, but it does help my family so that I can provide exciting and educational videos just like this one. Anyways, so this here has been really great for us when we travel, and my daughter loves it. She can get really creative, and it again gives a lot of that cause and effect, where when she paints over, certain parts, they turn a certain color, and it's just really fun to see her be in awe of her own creations. Thank you all so much for being here. Having that recording this video was kind of wacky because the fire alarm went off at our neighbor's place, and I freaked out and I ran out of here, so I was a little shaky, but nonetheless, this video got done, and I am so very thankful that you have joined me. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this one, and follow my family's journey on Instagram, where I share lots of tips and ideas on how you can incorporate easy and simple activities, just like the ones I shared today, in your very own home. I will see you soon. Goodbye.